So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about these three minerals, and we're going to talk about their physical properties and how we identify them on their physical properties and how those physical properties are used, what they're used for in industry.
Okay. When you mean physical properties, do you mean like using these 4 items?
Yeah, so physical properties means anything that is a property that you can see or touch or
tangible, you can
tangible, something, yeah. So color, is a physical property. This cream kind of color is a physical property. Another physical property is its hardness, right? So if I take this and I scratch glass with it, I'm testing its hardness. If it's harder than glass, then it has a hardness, a pretty high hardness. But if it's softer than glass, it has a lower hardness. Another physical property is taste. Another one is streak that we use this for. So all of these physical properties, and we can test all of those properties on all of these minerals. And then by the results of those tests, we can identify the minerals. The way I like to do it is come up with what's called a smoking gun characteristic. So there's all of these physical properties, right? Like there's a ton more than we even talked about here. But some of them you're not going to use, right? Like if this is not hard and this is not hard, then that doesn't tell you the difference between the two.
Right.
But let's say that this writes on paper and this is magnetic. Those smoking gun physical properties that it writes on paper and that it's magnetic are the ones you need to remember for the specific minerals to tell you what they are. So that's really how I like people to learn this, is not to memorize each physical property for each mineral, but to memorize the one smoking gun physical property that's really going to tell you what that mineral is.